Hello everybody, welcome to section 3.4. This section entails equations of lines. This should be a very simple review from Algebra 1. Hopefully everybody remembers slope-intercept form of a linear equation. It is y equals mx plus b. M is the slope, b is the y-intercept. If you remember, this was very useful for graphing. It's easy to graph. You start out by plotting the b on the y-intercept, whatever number that is, and then use the slope to find the other point. Okay, there's another form of a line that maybe wasn't emphasized in Algebra 1 very much. It's called point-slope form, and it follows the formula y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, where x1, y1 are coordinates of any point on the line and m is the slope of the line. Okay, I can show you how that works. Let's say that we want to make an equation of a line that has the slope m equals 4 and passes through the point 4, 3. Okay, well, we can think of that 4 as x1. We can think of that 3 as y1. Making an equation using this information, I simply plug it into the right places of point-slope form of a line. Here we see the 4 will go in for m. Another 4 will go in for x1, like that. And the 3 will go in for y1, just like that. And that is the point-slope form of this line here. Now, it gets a little bit trickier if we have negatives. So let's look at that. Let's say we have a slope of 1/2, and say this line passes through -2 and -6. Okay, where -2 is my x1, -6 is my y1. Alright, plugging everything into the formula, y minus y1, which would be like a -6, equals m, the slope, times, in parentheses, x minus x1. Now if you notice, we have minus a negative. That's a little bit complicated. We can clean this up a little bit by understanding that minus a negative is the same as adding a positive. Y plus 6 equals 1/2 x plus 2. There we go.